Interest in a career in automotive? Discover what it's like to study at the Wythenshawe Campus. So here we have a level 2 student who's doing a full service on a vehicle, which is part of his last assessment. In that he will cover a variety of different areas such as cooling, lubrication, braking systems and electrical systems. We have a level 2 student carrying out her final assessment on braking systems. Within the assessment she'll be using a variety of skills she's picked up over the past 2 years, obtaining data to support her learning and of course to complete her assessments. So when the learners completed their assessment in the workshop and all the practical tasks, they have then the opportunity to come into our IT classroom on site and complete such things like quizzes on electude to support the learning. What we do here at the Wythenshawe Campus is we study level 1 and level 2 in automotive. It's a great campus to be studying at. Everything's on your doorstep. We've got the tram outside, we've got bus stops, dead easy to get to, and we've got a vast array of workshops and garages around this area that love to take on our learners. Whatever it is, whether it's coaches, buses, planes, boats, motorbikes, bicycles, or even cars, it all starts here. This centre is making you employable within the automotive industry, but it's also about having fun. It's a great environment to work with. It is small and friendly. The staff here are so helpful. A lot of support if you do need the support. And again, we do a lot of enrichment, so it starts here at the Wythenshawe Campus. We put the fun back into education.